Hi, welcome to Scrappin' It Up channel here on YouTube. I'm Vanessa, and I wanted to come on here today to do an album share with you guys. Another album with file folders. This measures 6 1/4 by 9, and then it has a 3/4 inch spine, and there's the back of it. And then it has let's see, it has 2 pages in it, but that's what it looks like. And I decorated this with Prima marketing paper line, wild and free. I love the paper, very pretty. So on front here you have a pocket, and I didn't make no tag to go in there, so you can stick whatever you want in there. I mean, it's a generous sized pocket in there. And you open it up and you have a pocket here with a tag. So I mean, you can make tags to go in here. Just totally up to you, whatever you guys want to do. And then this flips. And again, you know, you could put sayings on these tabs if you want to. And then, let's see if I can get this in camera. These flip up like that. And then you have 2 pockets right here. Let me grab this other tag here. So you could fit stuff in there on both sides, just like that. Put that back, and then this flips. And this flips. And then you have another pocket on the back page. And that is my file folder Prima Marketing Wild and Free album, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to me, hit the subscribe button. I've got my Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest links down below in the description box, so please check me out. Hey, until next time, we will see you guys later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.